Hey guys, I'm Philip, outdoor adventure photographer and filmmaker. Today we're skiing in Font Romeo in the Pyrenees and we're testing DJI's latest action camera, the Osmo Action 3.
Home to the mountain.
Okay, so it has gotten a little bit cloudy considering the snow conditions. It's not so easy to film a lot, but I met Andreo here.
Hey.
And he definitely laid out some cool tricks, as you can see now.
Home to the mountain.
Okay, so now I'll talk about some of my favorite features of the DJI Osmo Action 3. First, it's got great battery life. I found that the batteries hold up really well in the cold. I've skied with it, I've climbed with it, and all the time I had no complaints about the duration of the battery life. DJI claims that the batteries hold up to 150 minutes at minus 20 degrees Celsius. That's very cold. I haven't been able to test that at such low temperatures. But it's 2.5 hours of filming in the cold. That's really good. Second, the video resolution. 4K 120 is becoming the industry standard, and it's incredible to see these little action cams being so capable and filming at such resolutions. I could even go on a bigger client shoot and put the DJI Action 3 in a small corner or something, and I wouldn't have any trade-off in resolution or frame rate. Third, the quick release. You attach the camera with a magnetic clip that quickly lets you rotate from horizontal to vertical. At first I was a little scared of if the magnets would hold up, but I found that once it's clipped in, it really holds. 4, if you color grade your footage for it to look better, you can film in 10 bits color space. This was added with the latest firmware, and it's a really big jump in image quality if you grade it in post. It gives you so much more flexibility. I recorded everything in the Cine-like profile and then graded it in post. And 5, the great stabilization. When you're filming skiing, it's really important to have good stabilization, and DJI with the magic of software gets you some amazing footage. Really, unstabilized ski footage is unwatchable. Okay, so here are 6 more features that I really like about the DJI Action 3. It wakes up super fast from sleep, so you just press the button and it starts recording almost instantly. I think this is really useful and really a great feature. The thumb screw is really well designed, and it has 2 little wings that let you crank it by hand, and it really won't move once you have it locked in. It's a great design. The build quality is great. It feels solid, it feels well built, and even during my testing, climbing and skiing, I found that it will hold up quite well. I really love the battery case that comes standard with the Adventure Combo. It's lightweight, it holds 3 batteries, it's really organized, and once you flip up the top lid, you see the status of each of the batteries that's inserted with the color of the LED light. It's definitely worth it, I would get it. When you do eventually run out of battery, it's got a quick charging feature, so you can charge the battery while you're having a drink at the cafeteria, and you will have almost full battery when you come out. And finally, the dual touchscreens. So you've got a touchscreen in the back, but also a touchscreen in the front. You can change your settings without having to unmount the camera or having to look behind it.
Okay, so I hope you liked my review of the DJI Action 3. I really like this camera. If you like this video, please consider pressing the like button and subscribing to this YouTube channel. It really does make a difference and it helps me out a lot. I've got lots of reviews and ski adventures and mountain adventures. As always, see you on the next one.